Hi, I'm Dennis Spaeth, publisher of Cutting Tool Engineering, and we're here at a special IMTS edition of Bourbon with the Editor. We're being visited today by John Treese, who is with Master Fluid Solutions, a company that we came across yesterday and just started to get to know. And before we go and talk to John a little bit about the history of the company and how this show has been going and about their fluid products, I'm going to pour us each a little bit of apple juice, bourbon. We're going to drink some Kentucky Straight Bourbon whiskey that's from the Calumet Farm.
Calumet. Where's people?
Are you one or two fingers?
Let's just do one.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, that's right.
There we go.
We can do another one after this.
That's right. All right, so let's take a taste of this and see what you think.
Here you go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I've had this before, and I like it.
I like it too. I haven't had that yet.
Yeah, and that's one of the fun things about Bourbon with the Editor, well, for me, is I get to try a lot of different bourbons.
Different bourbons, all right. So when am I coming back?
Anytime you want. We're in Arlington Heights. I've got a bar set up in the office. Just a way of starting a podcast that I thought would be interesting to watch because of the bourbon, but also the bourbon helps loosen things up and just have a natural conversation. And I like to talk to metalworking experts from different companies and find out about new products they might have, or just find out about some trends going on in the industry. But here we bumped into one of your colleagues the other day, and we got to talking, and we got to talking about bourbon, and so that's why you're here. It all led to this, and so he was telling me about Master Fluid Solutions, and could you just let people know a little bit about the history, because it's kind of been around for a while.
Been around since 1951, and actually we started off as Master Chemical, and about 7-8 years ago we changed our name to Master Fluid Solutions for a whole bunch of reasons. We're into the solutions thing, it's not just a chemical, so the name was changed. It goes back to our roots in Ohio, Toledo and Perrysburg. 1951, our founder, Clyde Swin, and his wife, Miriam, started the company. They were partners in crime, so to speak. Wonderful people, really big on giving back to the community and building a great foundation of a company. It's been a great company to work for. I've been there now for 19 years.
So, you know what? You mentioned that it was Master Chemical, right? And what I've learned in the last day or two is that you have chemists on staff. Is that right? How many different?
Oh, we have a lot of chemists in R&D and tech service to help support all of our new product development and in helping keeping customers happy should there be some new unique thing that they need help with. We have a large lab with all kinds of test equipment that we have. We have machine tools for testing out coolants, so we're in it lock, stock, and barrel here, so this isn't just a part-time thing.
And the main products that you offer, there's a couple of that I was reading about from your blurb. Do you want to mention what they are?
Well, we're really big in the water-soluble cutting fluids, and there's a couple new ones that we've come out with lately. One was a new one called Microsol or Hypersol 888 NXT. It is a patented new technology, completely unique. It is a bio-approved fluid. It cuts the hard and difficult to cut materials like Inconels, wasp alloys, hasp alloys, titanium. That's what it excels at. You can cut anything, but it really works on those. Gives you great tool life that you just don't see with other kinds of fluids. We've come out with Microsol 692 XT, Microsol 685 XT, a new product called E715. These are all new products to help our customers push their tools faster, harder, make more product in less time. So that's the big thing, is providing value to the customer.
Excellent. So your background, by the way?
I'm a metallurgical engineer with a lot of other things tied in there, mechanical, electrical, and some chemical engineering.
So one of the things I think mentioning the other day is kind of consult with your customers to help them get the most out of, well, not just the fluid, but their production process itself.
Yeah, the term gets thrown around a lot in industry, that term of being a trusted advisor or something like that. And trusted advisor, some people I really know my product and I know how to use my product. That's not how we look at it. A trusted advisor is somebody who can come in and you feel comfortable talking about all of your different aspects of your operation, and they can help you or at least point you in the right direction in solving some of your biggest problems. And that's what we like doing. Is it's not just about our fluids, it's about helping our customers through the whole process. We talked a little bit about, there are some strange things out there that people just don't understand with, say, the materials, which is my main background, and slight differences in a 304 chemistry can mean I can make a part, or there is no way I'm making a part. And it's a very slight chemistry difference. And some of our customers fight that. They just don't know that. And so we kind of help them through that process, helping them identify some of the mistakes and issues that are creating problems.
Your current role now is as a sales trainer.
No, I'm a trainer. I'm the director of global training. So
Okay.
I'm supposed to be the guy that knows.
You were in sales.
I was in sales, yes. Everyone's in sales at Master.
All right. And so as a technical trainer, what is it that you're doing specifically?
Wow, that's a loaded question. I train.
Take a drink.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna need to. You're gonna need to. I train our new employees, our new salespeople, our new service people on our products, our sales process, our policies and procedures. I train our distributors on selling and supporting our product. I train our customers on the proper way to do things. I develop training for our people to give those trainings, and I do that across the globe.
All right. Well, it's a good thing you didn't stay there for just 5 years. Take a drink.
All right.
So, how's the show going for you this year?
This year has been an incredible year here. The traffic has been great. The quality of the people coming through has been phenomenal. So between that just makes it just a blockbuster show for us. So I've had a chance to go walk the show a little bit, see some new technologies, some interesting things that are happening in the industry. Not necessarily affecting fluids and master fluids, but just fun, interesting things that are happening in this industry. And I love to see those advancements. That just means this industry is going to just get bigger, better, and keep moving forward.
I kind of ask a lot of people this. How many IMTS shows have you been in?
The company?
Well, you. I mean.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I've probably been to, over the years, probably 10 or 11 different IMTS shows. The company has been involved in IMTS, man, I don't even know how long, probably more than 40 years, 50 years.
When did you switch the names?
That was 2017, I believe.
2017. And did it make a difference? I mean, has it made a difference? People understand what you are about more now?
I think it's helped. Initially, there was a little bit of confusion. Who are you? There's still a little bit. Our main brand is called Trim, and that's been a brand name that's been around since 1951, and we kept that brand name. That's helped carry the people really associate us a lot, and or in the past associate us a lot with Trim. Oh, you're the Trim guy. And so they really honed in on that. And our mainstay product that basically took the company to a player in the industry was a product called Trim Sol, way back in the early 60s. It was released in 1964. And believe it or not, we still have customers running trim salt out there. It's just
If it's got its place, it's got its niche, and it's still working, right?
there are people that swear by it. I've used it for 30 years. There's no way I'm leaving this. Or my grandfather used it, my dad used it, I'm still using it. It's great. We love it. We have developed obviously a lot more new and fun technologies, but it's a workhorse still.
I appreciate you
I
agreeing to sit down with us and do this IMTS version of Bourbon with the Editor.
no, this has been a lot of fun. Anytime, I'm more than happy to share your bourbon with you.
That is the best part.
That is,
Cheers.
especially after a very long show.
Yes.
And cheers.
Cheers, Steve.
Cheers, guys.